Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this nice like deep wave hair from HeyHair7. I believe this is in 20 inches. It's really nice hair, perfect for the spring slash summertime. Nice and soft, shiny, just gives you that tropical I'm going on a vacation type look. So I'm gonna show you guys a super easy install. You guys know I'm like a lazy natural, and when it comes to these wigs, it can be a little hard to install them, lay them, make them look more realistic. So this is like a realistic kind of like slick down type look that I came up with. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware when I post, and let's just get into this tutorial. Okay, so starting off, I have my hair in just some braids, and this is the packaging that came in, holographic, super cute and girly. I like that. It's very different. It does come with a wig cap, and like I said, this hair is in 20 inches, and this is their deep wave hair. It also comes with some extra combs in case you need them, and this is just the front of the hair, kind of giving you guys a visual. This is a lace front wig, so yeah, this is just the front of the hair, and it's in like a 1B color, so it kind of has like this brownish tint to it. And yeah, these beautiful deep waves, big bouncy looking kind of curls. So we're just gonna get straight into installing this hair. And one of the first things I noticed was how soft it felt when I was running my fingers through it. So super soft hair as well. So yeah, and you can see the combs and stuff inside of it. So I'm just going ahead and putting on the wig cap. You know, gotta protect your hair, and I'm making sure I fully cover my edges, because sometimes when I'm putting these wigs on, my edges be poking out. So making sure that's fully covered. And the cap of this hair fit really good. It didn't feel too big or uncomfortable. So I'm just putting on the wig, and then I'm going to attach those combs in on the side so this wig ain't going nowhere. So yeah, whenever I put a wig on, I just kind of get a good look. And I'm going to go ahead and just take my little razor, and I'm going to cut the lace. And I just put my hair back in a ponytail. I find like that's easier when I'm trying to cut this hair off. We'll cut the lace off. And then also put some clips so the hair is out my way. So you guys are just gonna watch me take it off. And I know a lot of people say to do it kind of zigzag, so it's not like a straight line and so much in your face. So you kind of want to zigzag at it, and then also be careful around the ear part. I'm not a professional, by the way. I just, you know, put on wigs for fun sometimes and play around. I'm still a beginner at it. But yeah, I'm just taking that lace off. I don't like too much lace. Makes it look very wiggy, you know. I just try to put my wigs on in a way where it looks a bit more natural. So yeah, guys, going ahead and getting that off, and take off any extra lace if you need to. If you miss a spot, just go in and remove it. So next, I'm taking my Got To Be spray. You know, that's the go-to, but I'm just positioning the hair, kind of seeing how I'm going to want it. And I decided I want to do like a middle part with like the slick down front. I feel like that looks all wet and wavy kind of look. I do like that this hair already kind of includes some baby hairs too, so that's cute. So I'm just going ahead and spraying my hair, and then I'm going to get it tacky with my blow dryer, and then press the hair on, and then blow dry it so it can stick basically. So you want to start to blow dry it until it's nice and dry, and make sure your wig not going nowhere. But if I saw an area that was lifting kind of like this one, I'm just going to spray a little bit more, and I'm going to take that same little razor and pat my hair down so that it can stick. So as y'all can see, just patting it in there, making sure it's nice and secure. Make sure you don't spray too much. I spray a little bit too much, and when you spray too much, the actual hair gets kind of hard. So make sure you avoid that. Don't make that mistake like I did. Less is better, and then you can build your way up. Don't spray on too much initially, because it will make the actual wig hair hard. So now I'm just taking some mousse to get that slick down look, so that the hair is not looking all bulky. I'm just going to apply some mousse and start to smooth it through my hair. And then I'm just taking my baby hair brush and kind of creating that slick front look. And then just doing a light kind of swoop for the baby hair kind of look, you know. But yeah, I'm just getting everything nice and slick. I'm not done yet. I'm not done. You could leave the hair like this if you want, kind of like big curly, but I'm going kind of for like a wet look. So you guys are going to see me define the rest of the curls a little bit later, but I'm just making sure everything's laying and looking good to my liking. So I'm going ahead with my spray bottle and just spraying the hair down, getting it nice and wet so I can get ready to define it. And to define the curls, I'm going to be using that same mousse. So slicking it down, and then I'm just raking the mousse through my curls. And as you can see, it's getting super defined and curly. It's looking nice. That deep wave is popping out. And now I'm just taking some concealer so that the what is that called, like the lace grid part doesn't look so wiggy. I wanted to match my skin tone a bit, so I'm just adding a little bit of concealer, and then I'm going to be done with this look. It was super easy application. I'm going to blend that out some, don't worry. Blending it out right there. And that's pretty much it. All the information and specs about this hair will be in the description box below. Make sure you check out HeyHair7. Once again, this is their lace front deep wave and 20 inches. Super beautiful hair for the summertime. Super easy install, and I loved it. So this is the final look. I'm gonna give you guys a little spin around. Very, very gorgeous hair. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye guys.